Breaking news, we're in phase 3 of the build out of the greenhouse and the training facility at Atlanta Light Natural Farm. And on phase 3, it's $75,000 for the building. That's of course going to be the drywall, the electrical, the flooring, the ACs, and everything. And we had an anonymous person sow $10,000 match and pledge. What does that mean? That $10,000 is going to be $20,000. So make sure you pray for anonymous. I have no idea who this person is. They wanted to sow anonymously, but what does that mean? That when they put $10,000 in, whatever you put in gets doubled. And that would give us $20,000 towards the $75,000 for May. We need this by May 30th. The steel building is about to be erected, and then we have to build out the insulation, the electrical, the flooring, and everything. So please get on board with this, believe with us, pray with us, help us. This is going to help a lot of people. We're going to be able to teach people all around the world from this training facility how to grow their own food and be self-sufficient. A $10,000 match and pledge, so sow a generous seed today, and thank you guys so much.